Yeah, hello. Welcome again, my lovely people. Yes, so another tori don still enter again. Hmm. Another plane crash again. Oh, military aircraft don still crash again. Oh, for inside Naija. Another military aircraft. Oh, e don still crash. E don still gone down for inside Nigeria. Wetin dey happen? Yeah, so if you enter, please share. Another military plane crash for Nigeria. Hi, Onu Delight Gifty. Hi, you're welcome. Good evening. Please share, invite your friends. But we judge this matter because problem now don dey full for inside Nigeria. Even the northern people now, they still dey talk say president na by force. Whether people like it or not, it must surely go to the north. Say na dem plenty pass, so na dem get millions of Nigerians, so there is nothing anybody can do about it. Good evening, my dear. Good evening. You're welcome. Please share. Love you all. Yes, my lovely people, as we dey talk the matter, so another news don come still fall inside again. They tell us say another Nigeria military aircraft e don crash again for inside Nigeria. They say this one don't go down. Oh, the location was given as somewhere in Kaduna State. They say somewhere for inside Kaduna State. Now this aircraft for fall again. So military aircraft. They say na Alpha jet. Now if so the fighter jet left Yola, the Adamawa capital, this morning, and to go clear bandits. They say na bandits now you go clear. As the informant talk. Hi, hello, Akani Agade, you are welcome. Agada, you are welcome. Please invite your friends. Welcome. And they talk and now say Mohammed Abubakar, special assistant to the defense minister, did not take his call. So they say this one not taking call. Maybe small thing. Another plane again you don't see fall again. The military aircraft don't still fall again for inside Nigeria. And they talk and now say the special assistant to the defense minister, say Mohammed Abubakar Dre, they say he not pick in call. Yeah, welcome. Some people will listen, will not. Yeah, that is true. Those that have ears, let them hear. So now, make their plane continue to dey fall. That one na their problem. Wetin we tell them na the freedom for the Biafran people, because we don see am now say there is no way and there is no need when e be say they go take arrange that Nigeria at all. You can imagine the northern people now, they come out, come they talk again now, say whether the southerners like it or not, whether the rest Nigerians like it or not, there must be the president of that country. The northerners must surely rule. And the man now can't even come, they let us they know say now them plenty pass. Say the Hausas when they for the north, they 140 million. 120 million people join 40 millions of Fulani herdsmen. Say Fulani herdsmen they 40 million join 120 million of Hausas, making it 260 million. They say for inside 2010 million, when I say 9 or B, if you come out 160 million when they inside, how many remain? You understand? So which means say there is no way when it be say presidency go to the south. He say whether or not like it or not. And then now they call the whole Fulani herdsmen when they for inside forest, all of them. Say may they go register their PVC and may they start to the voice out for presidency of for 2023. So now then go choose who go rule. Make all the Fulani. I don't tell you now. I say there is no way they can give presidency to the southern people again. And if they say they do it through election, the southerners cannot win. Because why? These northern people, they don't open border to many people for outside the country to enter. And those people, they hold PVC of the Nigerian elections. So those people go vote for them. And now waiting demand, they let the whole world they know. So say there is nothing anybody can do about it. Whether they like it or not, say na them when be these northern people, na them go rule. So I go make I play the video for una, so that una go hear wetin this man talk with him mouth. Maybe say na come tell me say na lie, dey lie, or na me talk am. No, you understand. The video e don dey circulate for social media, and dey proud to even say itself. Dem no dey hide mouth. You understand? So ma try play the video, make una hear wetin this man talk.
Then the Fulanis have me together. That will give you.
Let me just start it from the beginning.
Out of the approximately 210 million as in being envisaged, the population of Nigeria, when you take 160 million out of 210 million, what is the balance? About 70 million. I cannot see how 160 million, I can't see how 70 million will beat 160 million.
210 minus, this man even go school at all. This man not go school. 210 minus 160, how many go remain? Maybe 50. The man say na 70. Now people when they rule na be this one, no single mathematics, easy one sef, they no fit calculate and see am. They tell you say 210 minus 160, say na 70 be that one. Nigeria government, so na do
we are democratic in nature. We know politics is a game of number. We know politics. Leadership is by ballot box. Leadership is by PVC. Leadership is by election, and that was why we are calling our people to come out en masse and get their PVCs. The 120 million Northerners should get their PVC. The 40 million Fulanis should get their PVC. Put together 160 million. We will elect another president by 29th of May. By February next 2023, we should be going into election to elect a fresh northern president that will balance the remaining 4 years that North has.
The Northern Consensus Movement has called on all 120 million Northerners and 40 million Fulanis that are eligible voters to ensure they mobilize towards 2023 general election and jettison on democratic leadership rotations in Nigeria. The group Northern Consensus Movement therefore stated that there is no amount of grandstanding propelled by the threat and intimidations either from the southern governors and some socio-cultural organizations that can change the remaining outstanding balance of 4 years presidency tenure for the North.
Southern Nigeria took the mantle of leadership for 14 years. By the time President Muhammadu Buhari will be finishing his 8 years, 2 term of 8 years, North would have served for 10 years, Southern Nigeria would have served for 14 years. If we are talking of equity, fairness, balance, and togetherness, then Northern Nigeria still have 4 more years to go before it will now be equal of 14 years.
That country don't finish.
But nobody can twist us from the north, or intimidate us, or harass us, or coerce us to think that by grandstanding or intimidation we will abandon our 4 years just because some people are threatening the peaceful coexistence of Nigeria. Northern Nigeria has a population of over 120 million people. And by this press conference, we are asking all the 120 million eligible voters from the north to come out en masse and get their PVC.
Come out en masse.
And also begin an aggressive but peaceful
peaceful. So may they come out aggressive. Say na them was rule. You see the matter. That is why the Biafran people are crying for freedom. Because these people are not given any chance at all. You can imagine now, if that is true, that them themselves they are 160 million. Okay, that is the Biafrans and the Oduduwa, now them be just 50 million people. Abi? And now those two sides, Biafra and Oduduwa, now them get the money when they for the country. When it be say these same northern people that they enjoy, when they sit down on top. Whereas the people when get the money, that they suffer. Now they hear them. Now the president so now there's just the drag and then they let you they know say now only through election, and that election self they're not they give any chance because them the many pass. I don't tell you this matter before. Then they don't open border for many people outside the country to enter Nigeria. They don't even get their ID, Nigerian ID card, and so on and so forth. So these people they go always, you know, be today they start today. If not those people and even as if for inside bush where they for come now, they carry them come from outside Nigeria. displace all of them. Even the ones when they go inside bush, go they hide for certain. You see why they kill the Biafrans and all those people. These people are just there to conquer that country called Nigeria. So it is left for you, the Biafrans and the Oduduwas, whether una go sit down, they under the oppress of this Fulani and the Hausa northern people, or una go stand up to voice for una own self. If not, what you are telling me that there is one Nigeria, there is no any one Nigeria, because this particular man now don come out come let una know say na them be the only Nigerians, because na their population na in big pass. Now they hear so.
Get ready for 2023 general election.
Make all of them get ready.
We are also using the medium to call on to our 40 million Fulani brothers that are Nigerians. To also
Shebi,
reach out
if una dey
to
talk,
Fulani.
if una dey talk, una go say, na Hausa, na Fulani, me no be Hausa, na Hausa no be. These two people, they are the same thing. Hausa and Fulani. Tell me where is the difference? They are not different. They are the same northern people. You understand? And he can still make one reference for inside this video. Can't let una know say even for America, say na the northern part of America, na then they always they rule. Just because like say God just put a ruling this thing for only their side. Listen,
Man that is eligible to get his PVC, so that he will be the part of deciding who becomes the next Nigeria's president in 2023, as Nigerians that have equal right with any other Nigerian. And like we all know, in the United States of America, the Britain and other parts of the world, most especially in America, election of who becomes the president is determined by number. In most cases, most of the president of America are from North America, because that is where the vote comes from. But in Nigeria today, we have forgotten credibility, we have forgotten about patriotism, we have forgotten about nationalism, we have forgotten about love for each other. All we are talking about is tribe, religion, or region. In terms of leadership, we are not looking at qualification. And by that, we are being intimidated that because the present leadership of Nigeria is being led by a northerner, we are being threatened that the power must shift to the other part of Nigeria, and we are saying that we still have a balance of 4 years, even after President Muhammadu Buhari left in 2023. By May 2023, we still have a balance of 4 years, and we cannot be intimidated, we cannot be harassed, we cannot be coerced by either the governors of South or any socio-cultural organization into leaving our mandate or jettisoning our mandate because of harassment or intimidation. We are saying that we must complete the balance of 4 years to make it 14 years. From 1999 till date, southern part of Nigeria would have ruled for 14 years. The north will complete it 4 years to make it 14 years before the issue of rotational presidency will come. But for now, 2023, and who becomes the president of 2023 is still another responsibility, because we still have a balance of 4 years. And even if the other part of Nigeria failed to know, then every part or every political party should field in candidates. There are a lot of political parties in Nigeria. It's not only PDP or APC. There are political parties in Nigeria. There are other political parties. Let all political parties field in qualified candidates. Then let Nigerians decide who becomes the next president. Let the ballot box decide who becomes the next president. Let the votes count and let the vote decide who becomes
whose votes won't count. After all, maybe 160 million. There is no votes, which means the presidency is just not only not going to rule.
And we cannot even be coerced or intimidated, even by our own northern governors cannot decide for us who become or which region will take over the mantle of leadership. Nigerians will decide who becomes the next president. And as far as northern Nigeria is concerned, northerners will field in a candidate from whatever political party. We will field in candidates, and we will vote in a candidate that we feel has the candidate that we feel have nationalistic thinking, a candidate that we think is qualified, a candidate that we think will love northerners, will love southerners, Nigerian either at home or abroad. But we will, like we said, we will not be intimidated. We refuse to be intimidated. We will not allow anybody to untwist us. We have our own people, we have our own vote, and politics is a game of number. So let the
Allez,
numbers play
tu vas
out.
déranger
Let the
ici.
numbers decide who becomes the next Nigeria's president. At
C'est
this
toi qui as fait
juncture,
vidéo.
I would also invite the president of Arewa Traders Association to make one or two comments. He understands how to speak Fulani. I don't know how to speak Fulani.
So my lovely people, there is no way when e be say these people go allow the certain people to rule, and make una no dey differentiate them. Say the Hausa this one, Fulani this one, they are all the same. Una remember, look, listeners, this man dey talk say Fulani people when dey inside bush, make all of them come out. So they know say Fulani herdsmen dey inside bush, they commit bad things. They know, abi you see say na dem even send those ones go inside bush. So una see their matter, how their matter they go. So it is left for you all whether na go join hands together, especially una when be the certain people when they kill una self. Now know whether na go join hands together. If not, they don't make everything clear for una. The only way when you be say na take get to our own freedom, when you be say na take get to our own states, na the Biafran people to be free, Oduduwa to be free. Make una stand on that word, because the intimidation now from the Nigerian part is too much. From the northern part of that country, the intimidation is too much. Everything now they are telling you that they are the owner of that country. Now you don't come for population. The other time you come for land. The other time you come for water. They say now then get the biggest land, which means the biggest water. Now then get am. Now you say the all year when they for the inside water na their own. So these people, they don't talk waiting there for their minds. Now for una to decide. Maybe the one when I go they share. See now, only 50 million when I remember. I'm not be they share talk waiting that they call her. This one go say na be southwest. The other one go say na be south. The other one go say na be southeast. For inside 50 million. Shebi I tell una na. I tell una say if una not join us together, whether if una go separate una self tachere, na so na hotel make am, and at the same matter so na dey for ground. So these people are not giving any chance to anybody. They are not giving chance to any other part of the country in that Nigeria to rule, because them they say na them get the head, only the head of presidency, and other people not get the head. Okay, give freedom now to the people who need freedom. They no one give freedom. Even some of una self, even they support them. Now they support the northerners. So I be say the northern people, they are d'accord, they okay with all of them. If one person talk, all of them don't talk finish. The Fulani people now when they differentiate from the Hausa people, now they hear when they tell us say all of them are the same thing. Their Fulani brothers should come out from the bush. Make they come out for inside bush. Make they go get their PVC. Make everybody they do rally, they do riot to make sure say presidency must come to their area. Say no threat when it be say the certain people go threat them when go shake them at all. Now they hear the matter so it's left for you all to know what to do, whether or not go allow them to achieve all these things or not. Go back and return. For return. You understand? So let me just make this video short and take care of my children, okay? Thank you all for watching, and please share this video because now matter when reach to share. Bye for now.